Hi there, today we're working on a Polaris Ranger XP1000. It's a 2018 model. What we want to show you today we're mounting up our folding mirrors. These are from Extreme Metal Products here in Cleveland, Ohio. We offer them for a lot of different buggies with vehicle-specific mounting brackets. As you can see here, this is an assembly. This is the other side, but this is the bracket. As you can see, this is the mirror. Nice mirror. It allows for some swivel here, ball jointed for infinite possibilities. But how it mounts here, basically you need to unscrew your factory stock bolt here, mount the top piece, and then you're going to need a Torx bit for down here. Remove this, and all you do is mount that up right there. Very simple, 2 bolts, factory bolts. But this is from Extreme Metal Products in Cleveland, Ohio. Here's how you pull back out of the way here. As you can see, tight places or in trailers, you pull it out of the way, and then you just open it back up again when you want. And that's from Extreme Metal Products here in Cleveland, Ohio. Thank you.